Hi planner friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plans. Today I am unboxing this Hobonichi Techo and Cousin in 2023. I can't wait to kind of unbox it and show you the differences and kind of my first impression or my opinions on it. I have been using Hobonichi Cousin since 2020, so I think only 2 years, so 2020. And also this year I'm using Hobonichi Cousin as well. Receive your Hobonichi Cousin. This is the first year in English edition. It comes with this recyclable packaging. On the back you get some description of the daily pages in English. Here, this is my life, whether you write down your daily schedule or special memory or nothing at all, every day is special. This techo is your close companion through it all. Breaks down into 6 chapters in the daily page. The first one is it comes with a 24-hour timetable, 3.7mm gridded paper. Number 3, a secret line to separate schedules from notes. So it'll be like right here. And number 4, the daily quotes on the bottom from the articles. I'm not gonna 5 Monday start mini calendar, and 6 12 colored tabs right here. So let's unbox this. So the first one is Test the Tomo River paper, and this is brand new for the 2024 edition. So this is the quality that we'll be expecting for that year. And as you know, most of the planner will be transitioned to this paper format. Comparing this year planner to the brand new paper, I can tell that the color is slightly yellow tone. I'm not sure if it's because of the sample paper that they gave me, but it has a little tint of yellow in it compared to this year's planner paper. And also comes with this little booklet. This is so cute. It has a gingerbread life book, Hobonichi Techo 2023. You can pause it and read it on its own. Here's the back of other inspirations. Okay, so this is the front, this is the back, and this is the side. Ooh, I don't know, for some reason I feel like it's so thick. I guess it's being a while. Okay, this is my 2022, and it feels like almost the same thickness for some reason, or maybe it's just me. It doesn't look like it, but it almost does. Because normally when you write in Hobonichi planners with the paper, it will add up in terms of like the thickness. Just because how the paper is, it absorbs the ink and it bulge out. So I would imagine typically it would double the size. So I would imagine this is gonna be like, woo, pretty thick, like double this. First open it, you still get the yearly. It's nice that everything is in English. Okay, so this is this year, and layout is exactly the same, but the wording like here is all transformed into English. Okay, so the next page you get, okay, one thing I really like about it is now it will say days in the weeks. So it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and this I find it really helpful because here I don't have that, and I struggle to figure out what day it is. I typically would write it in. I would write down in myself the days, but having it there will makes my life so much easier. And another thing I noticed that at the top is a little slightly different. There's the 12, and that says month, December. Good thing it has English in there. But here you can see that due to the sizing and spacing, it has June and then 6 month. So it still have a little bit Japanese word in there. You have the January, 1 month. So this character means month. So I guess the first month. 2024, and it's Still have this character. I forgot what it means. And Sunday is highlighted in red, and Saturday is in dark gray. The bottom remains the same. Here's the weekly. The Monday to Sunday, you still kept the week, which is very useful. I use that all the time. And the top is 10, Monday, 11, Tuesday. It's just kept it like that. Very nice. I see. And they have removed these characters at the top, and we'll place it to Monday to Sunday. And they moved the week underneath the box, and they kept the year, which is great. I think this is nice way of redesigning to fit the English edition. At the same time, still have a little bit of Japanese inspired planner. So that is the weekly. So let's take a look at the daily pages, which I'm very curious about since I do use the daily pages all the time. Okay, this is really strange to me to see how clean and minimalistic this is. You still get the line, invisible line. The timeline is still the 24-hour, and then the bottom is oh my. Okay, so it's in English. We already know that it'll be translated in English, but this time we'll be able to read it. And then the bottom right corner, we still have kept the mini calendar, which is not a surprising thing. They still have the tab on number, which is fine. I think it makes sense. So let's take a look at the previous version, see what that looks like in daily pages. The format in here is very similar to the new planner. You get the month. Instead of the number, they write the month in, so August. And then the date. And then they enlarge the day, Monday, and bring down the character underneath. Kept the moon, which I think is a good idea. I know a lot of people do use moon phases, but everything else is about the same except that format. Timeline, the graph paper, the favorites, my 100, my favorite things. Oh, this is so different to see. It's fun. And some how to better enjoy conversation, words to remember, 365 days check off sheet, some gifts and addresses and personal notes. And that is about it for the cousin. And I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I'll see you next time. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. I'll see you next time. Bye, planner friends!